I provided some in-kind services to a charitable organization. Is that a deduction for charitable contributions? And unfortunately, and I think this is an important question, I want you guys to continue making these type of contributions to organizations that need those type of contributions. But when you contribute services to a charitable organization, there's not an additional tax deduction for the value of those services. And that may seem unfair at first, but remember, you're not recording income in the first place, so there's nothing to deduct that against. And if you gave the entity the money that they paid you, for example, let's say you did services for your church that you normally would have charged $500, they didn't pay you, or they did pay you the $500, then you cut the check back to them for $500, you got $500 of income and a $500 charitable contribution, so those work out to zero. Well, if no money changed hands, the net impact on your tax return ought to be the same. So there's no income recorded and no deduction recorded, so it still works out to zero. Which again, maybe that doesn't seem totally fair, but the bottom line is the economic situation of both scenarios work out exactly the same, which is kind of the way it should be that way.